Hello everyone, and welcome to the CONS3RT Help channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk about a common issue that pops up when you're attempting to launch a deployment. Let's say you're trying to launch a virtual machine with a certain operating system. Occasionally, when you go to launch it, you will encounter this page here. Clicking Expand next to the cloud space in question will give you an idea as to what is preventing your virtual machine from launching. Oftentimes, it's the operating system template. In order to know what templates will launch successfully into which cloud spaces, head on over to Cloud Spaces under the Manage section of the main menu. Select the cloud space you would like to launch your virtual machine into, and click Operating System Templates. Here you will see a list of all the OS templates that are supported in this cloud space. From here, you can edit your system to include one of those OS templates. Now, if you do not have management privileges, you can still see which OS templates are supported in your cloud space. Just select Template-Based when creating or editing a system, and you can pick a supported template from the drop-down menu. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the CONS3RT Help YouTube channel. And for more in-depth explanations, visit our help site, cons3rt.com/kb, the links to which are in the video description down below. And of course, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with our support team by submitting a ticket to support@cons3rt.com. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using CONS3RT.